Hello guys, yeah, today I want to show you how to make Zobo drink. It's a very popular drink amongst Nigeria. I think Africa country also drink Zobo a lot. So these are the ingredients you need for your Zobo drink. Okay, this is hibiscus flower. I got mine from Nigeria. You can get it anywhere. If you can't get it in any shop near you, you just have to order yours online. Just type in hibiscus flower, so you can always get that. This is dates for sweetening, for people who like to have the sweetness a little bit. This is very rich. Okay, everything we are using here today is very rich. And this is clove, very important, very nice, very healthy. I'm going to add some cucumber, and I'm going to add some apple. So let's get cooked. So I've already washed my hibiscus flower to remove all the dust and maybe sand or whatever residue is in it. So I've washed, I've cleaned it. That the next step is boil it. I have hot water and boiling water already, so bring it to boil. Pour your hibiscus flower in there. I'm just going to put everything at once. I'm going to add my dates inside. I'm not going to use everything because dates is really sweeter. So I'm going to add the apple and cucumber also inside. And I'll be adding the cloves. Then stir. We'll leave that to cook for at least 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes on high heat. Okay, leave that to cook. So it's cooked. See this, the richness. You see how red it is. You don't need to add too much water. So here, but we are going to leave it to cool down. Then we'll sift it and put it in our container. So just leave it to cool down for as long as it takes. Yeah. Cheers. So this is the day after. I'm just chilling, drinking my Zobo. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and here is the rest of what I extracted, and I am going to put this in the fridge for next time. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave it a like, a heart, and God bless you till next time. Bye.